Welcome everyone. Welcome in our new vegetable research and demonstration farm. I am the LP student of this unit, currently passing my 7th semester LP in this unit under Dr. Subrati Chatterjee sir. Basically, this is one previously cyclone prone area. Currently, we are converting this as an vegetable production unit. In this unit, total we have 2.5 acres of land, and this land we are divided into two sides totally. In one side we have 6 plots, and in another side we have 7 plots. And we are in one side we are currently doing perennial crop, and in another side we are doing annual crops. So come with us. We will explain every crop one by one.
In this unit we are mainly focusing on the underexploited vegetable crops which are main unknown to the people. This is our first perennial block, and we under 270 square meters area we are cultivating the curry leaf crops, and the spacing is given into 3 into 3 meters, and the total population of the curry leaf plants is 42. This is the second block of our unit, perennial crops, and this is mostly known as agathi, and we consume the flower buds of this tree. In 180 square meters area, we are cultivated 30 plants of agathi, and we given space of 3 into 3 meters. Total 30 plants are there in this block. This is the third block of our perennial crops, and here we cultivated the checker minis, and the spacing is given of 3 into 3 meters. In 130 square meters area, we cultivated the 24 plants of checker minis. This is the fourth perennial block of our unit, and here we cultivated the PKM1 variety of drumstick, and in 225 square meters area we cultivated 36 plants of drumstick, which this variety is released by the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. This is the fifth perennial block of the unit, and here we cultivated the PKM2 variety of drumstick, and here in total 216 square meters area we cultivated the 35 plants. For better utilization of this block, we also started the cultivation of moong bean here. This is the last perennial block of our unit, and here we cultivated the drumstick ODC variety of drumstick, and in 216 square meters area we cultivated the 35 plants of drumstick.
So this is our first annual block of this unit. So here we are mainly cultivated the okra crop, but it is red okra, which is rich in anthocyanin, and this okra variety is not famous in this area also. And this is one famous variety of okra which is known as kumkum. And this is our one small crop cafeteria type area where we mainly cultivated many types of crop. In upcoming days we also plant for many types of crops. In my back I have water leaf spinach, which belongs to the West Bengal local variety, and also we have other crops. Let's come here.
This is mostly known as gongora. In south areas we mainly use it for pickle making, and also we use it consume as rasam and all.
So this is our cucurbit plot. Here we have mainly cultivated 3 types of crop. First one is ridge gourd, another is bottle gourd, and another is pumpkin. And we divided this plot equally in 3 patches, and we have cultivated all these 3 types of crops.
In this unit we have many varieties of brinjal. This is one of them. This is known as Saturn 65 variety of brinjal. This is a vegetable crop. Many of them are used for consuming purpose, like curry.
These are the crop mainly we have till now in our unit, and in future we have planned for various crop. So our main motto is secure best package of practices for the farmers. But thank you everyone.
जब चलते हैं इस धरती पे हल ममता अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती है, जो ना पूजे इस माटी को जो जीवन का सुख देती है, इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया, इस धरती पे जिसने जन्म लिया उसने ही पाया प्यार तेरा, यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं, यहाँ अपना पराया कोई नहीं है, सब पे माँ धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।